Hello everyone, welcome back to Homestead Tools and Gadgets. Got another tool. This will be the final update on the barn as far as air. And now I bought something that is electric. Let me show you what I bought, and we're going to install it today. I bought this from Harbor Freight. 40-foot extension cord, 14 gauge. It's the heaviest one they had. So we're going to mount it on the wall. Looks like we can actually use regular screws. So let's get out of the box and see what we got. So this is the Vanguard. It's mid-level. It's 14 gauge, and it comes with 40 feet of extension cord. Extension cord. It's got 3 outlets on here. It also has a reset just in case you do something and it trips. It trips there and not your breakers. This does have a swivel base. It did come, unlike the Air, it does come with hardware. So I have to get set up to install that. So I plan on mounting it right here on this wall because the outlet that's going to be plugging into is right there. And since it folds out of the way, I don't have to worry about this stupid thing anymore. So the first thing we got to do is mark where it's going to sit with a marker, and then we'll drill the holes. And they come with these little plastic anchor deals. I think I'm actually going to use them. Okay, I got the holes drilled. Now, we're going to push in and hammer these things into those holes. Now, just going to take these lags, get them started, and then I'll use my impact and buzz those in a little tight, and then we can put the reel on. All right, I got it hung. It takes a 10 millimeter wrench to tighten them up. Then you just hit the reset. And we are ready. See, it's got a little plastic gear driven thing up there. Look at that. It's right out of the way. It's not hanging out in the middle of space. If I got to drag it this way, I can drag it this way. You can put it that way. Harbor Freight. I got the extended warranty of 2 years. It was $14. So between the two of them, I spent just a tad over $200 with tax. For that, and the one we just did. But anyways, that's what I wanted to show you in this video from Homestead Tools and Gadgets. Get organized out there. Go to Harbor Freight. Get the affordable tools. Get the extended warranty. And that way, you won't be stuck. See you next time.